Hey guys, today I will be showing you my DIY hot oil treatment using only 4 oils that will give you shiny, moisturized hair. So let's get started. So starting off, I'm using about 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now coconut oil does something that most oils don't do. It penetrates deep within the hair shaft. So this conditions your hair from within, leaving you with really shiny hair. It also reduces protein loss, and it's also great for your scalp because it has antibacterial properties that protect the scalp. So the next oil I'll be using is castor oil. Castor oil has always been one of my favorite oils because it's able to thicken hair. I have pretty fine hair, so this oil really locks in the moisture and is able to thicken and strengthen my hair. And something else that it does is it darkens your hair, so it reduces premature grays. Now with all of these oils, I'm kind of just eyeballing the measurements based off the benefits that it has for my hair. So you can just use however much you want of each oil. But the next oil I'll be using is avocado oil. Now avocado oil is great for your scalp. It moisturizes it by penetrating into the top layer of the scalp. It also mainly contains fatty acids that reduce the water in your hair. So too much water in your hair strands can actually weaken your hair. So by reducing the amount of water in the hair follicles, you're actually strengthening your hair. It's also a great oil to add in hot oil treatments because it can survive high heat temperatures. The last oil is fantastic for your scalp. Diluted with other oils, tea tree oil can prevent buildup. It balances pH levels of your scalp. It also improves blood flow, stimulating hair growth. Now you only want to use a couple drops of this one because tea tree oil can be really strong. That's why you always want to make sure you dilute it with other oils. After I have all my oils in there, I'm just giving that a quick mix and then placing it in a large bowl full of warm water. You don't want to put your oils in the microwave because that could ruin the nutrients and vitamins it has in the oil. So I'm just leaving this in this bowl for about 20 to 30 minutes until the oil gets nice and warm. Okay, and after about 20 minutes, the oil is nice and warm, so I'm sectioning off my hair to evenly distribute it and focusing on the ends mainly since that's the driest part of my hair. Another thing I love to do when doing hot oil treatments is giving myself a scalp massage. With all the benefits already in the oil, giving yourself a nice scalp massage makes it even better. It stimulates blood flow even more, and that means more hair growth. And trust me, the way the tea tree oil feels on your scalp, you won't regret it. And after a good scalp massage, I'm putting my hair up in a bun and leaving the oils in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, or however long you want to leave that in your hair for. And then I'm just going to rinse that out and I'm left with shiny, beautiful hair. Now that we're getting back into the colder seasons, I really try to stay on my hair treatments as much as possible, and a hot oil treatment is something that I like to do at least once a month. Let me know what oils you guys use down below, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.